Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to activate and use auto aim in World of Tanks Blitz. Auto aim helps with basic targeting but does not guarantee for perfect accuracy. You'll still need to aim manually for critical shots, so let's get started. First of all, open up the World of Tanks game on your device and log into your account. Now go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the bottom left corner from your main garage page. After you're inside settings, click on the controls tab at the top of the screen. Inside control, scroll down to auto aim. Make sure that you click on the enabled button right next to auto aim, and this will be able to turn on the auto aim feature on the game. Soon after you do that, you have enabled auto aim, which is great for easy tracking while moving or flanking. But remember that it won't help you hit weak spots or shoot through cover. For that, you'll still need to aim manually. So that's how you can easily enable auto aim and play your battle on World of Tanks Blitz. If this guide helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.